German Rote Grütze is a perfect dessert after any meal. It's light and fruity, and the ingredients can be adjusted to your taste. To make winter edition Rote Grütze, we're gonna use orange juice and some additional spices. We're gonna start with pouring the juice into a small saucepan and bring it to a boil. The juice needs to reduce, so we're gonna boil it without a lid for around 10 minutes. As soon as the juice reduces by half, we can add sugar, cinnamon and cloves to the pot. Then we're gonna stir well. I advise adding ground spices because I really had a trouble finding the spices for serving the dish. Then we need to add frozen fruits and boil the mixture. As soon as it starts boiling, we're gonna turn the heat to low immediately, otherwise the berries will fall apart. Now we're gonna thicken this compote. For this, we will mix the starch and 3 to 4 tablespoons of warm juice from the pot in a small bowl or cup. We will pour the mixture into the pot and stir constantly. As soon as the mixture thickens, we will remove the pot from the stove and set aside. When the porridge is cold, you can store it in the fridge until ready to serve. Usually, Rote Grütze is served cold with vanilla sauce or ice cream. I served mine with white chocolate cream, fresh mint, and orange peel on the top. If you are cooking this Rote Grütze for Advent dinner or Christmas, you can also add some crushed speculatius. And if you want to know what other fruits and berries you can add to Grütze or how to serve it, please visit the blog post that I linked in the description box down below. Thanks for watching and happy cooking! Bye!